Hi students, welcome to Math4U. Today we are going to discuss about the commutative property of rational numbers. So in the last session we have seen what is a rational number as well as the closure property of the rational number. So let us see commutative property. So for explaining the commutative property, I'm just taking two rational numbers. For example, a by b be one rational number and the other be c by d. Okay, so we are going to check with the addition of numbers to check whether the rational numbers are commutative or not. Okay, so in this case I have to check like a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. If it satisfies this relation, we can say that addition is commutative. So let us check with an example. So example, we can see that I'm taking 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 for the first case. So if I'm taking 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, we have to check first with 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. So let us see what the answer we are getting for 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. The LCM is 4 and the numerator will be 2 plus 3, right? Yes, so that will be equal to 5 by 4. And now let us check with 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So here also the LCM is 4 and the numerator will be 3 plus 2. So again we got 5 by 4, and from this we can understand that 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So let us see one more example. So here for the second example, let me take two numbers 3 by 8 and 5 by 6. Okay, 3 by 8 and negative 5 by 6. First, I'm going to add these two numbers and let us see what is the answer we are getting. Okay, so here the LCM is 24 and the numerator will be 9 and minus 20. Okay, so we will get the answer as negative 11 by 24. And the next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take negative 5 by 6 and 3 by 8. So when we add these numbers together, again we will get the LCM as 24 and we will get the numerator as negative 20 plus 9. So we will get negative 11 by 24 as the answer. From these two, we can conclude that 3 by 8 plus negative 5 by 6 will be equal to negative 5 by 6 plus 3 by 8. So what can we conclude from this? Addition is commutative, right? Addition is commutative for rational numbers, right? So let us move ahead with subtraction. Okay, so let us see how can we do the subtraction and check whether it is commutative. Okay, so for subtraction also we are going to check with two numbers, subtracting and check whether we are getting the same answer. Okay, so I'm directly going to the example. So example 1 here, that is 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 are the numbers what I am taking over here. So 1 by 2 and I'm taking 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. First I am going to check here, and you can see the denominator we have to take the LCM, and that is 10 over here, and the numerator will be 5 minus 6. That is equal to negative 1 by 10. As you know how to do these calculations, you have studied in grade 7. That is why I am not explaining it in detail. So now in the next step, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is what I am going to do here. Okay, same LCM is 10 over here and the numerator will be 6 minus 5. So you can see here it is 1 by 10. So what can we conclude from these two? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is not equal to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So from this we can say that subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Okay, so for rational numbers, right? So with one example, I have concluded because we understood from this example itself it is not equal to each other, right? So let us move ahead with the multiplication. Okay, so multiplication, here also we have to check with two numbers to check whether it is commutative or not. Okay, so in this case, if we are getting a by b multiplied with c by d, if it is equal to c by d multiplied with a by b, then only we can say that this multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Okay, so let us see with an example. Okay, first example, I'm going to take two numbers, that is 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. Okay, I'm taking 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. First, I'm going to multiply these two numbers, that is 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. So what you will get when we multiply these two? So the numerator will be 3. This you can cancel, right? The answer will be 3 by 7. Okay. So next we are going to check with 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. Okay. So here also you will get the same. So this means that what you can conclude is 3 by 5 multiplied with 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7 multiplied with 3 by 5. Let us check with one more example, okay, before going to conclusion. So example number 2, let us see. I'm taking two numbers, negative 2 by 3 and negative 5 by 7. Okay, negative 2 by 3 and negative 5 by 7. So first I'm multiplying negative 2 by 3 with negative 5 by 7. Let us see what we are going to get as the answer. So you can see here the numerator will be positive 10 and the denominator will be 21. So 10 by 21. And similarly, let us check for negative 5 by 7 multiplied with negative 2 by 3. Okay, so numerator will be 10 and the denominator will be 21. So what can we conclude from these? We can conclude that multiplication is commutative, right? Yes, for rational numbers. So we have seen here as of now addition and multiplication are commutative for rational numbers. Now we are going to check for division. So let us check whether division is commutative for rational numbers. So same as the case what we have done with the example for this, let us see two numbers, negative 5 by 7 and 3 by 7. I am going to take for division. Okay, so first we have to check for negative 5 by 7 divided by 3 by 7, right? So you know how to divide this. We have to take the reciprocal of the second number and multiply with the first. Okay, so negative 5 by 7 multiplied with 7 by 3. So you can cancel these two and you will get the answer as negative 5 by 3, right? So let us see what we will get as the answer if we do divide 3 by 7 with negative 5 by 7. So what will be the answer? As I told in the before this sum, we can do it as reciprocal and multiply with the first. So here also you can divide this 7 and you will get 3 by negative 5. That is equal to, or you can say negative 3 by 5. Is this two same? No. So we can conclude from this as these two, we can conclude like negative 5 by 7 divided by 3 by 7 is not equal to 3 by 7 divided by negative 5 by 7. So we can conclude that division is not commutative for rational numbers, right? Yes. So in this session, we have seen the commutative properties of rational numbers, right? So we have seen that addition and multiplication are commutative for rational numbers, and subtraction and division are not commutative for rational numbers. I hope it is very much clear. Thank you.